Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Heather, and in today's video I just did a quick little clean with me on the deck that we just got done redoing with the gazebo. And on this video I'm just gonna tidy it up. I don't know if you've gone through some of the videos that I've done, but I know in some of my shorts I have videos on this channel of me making the furniture which I'm sitting on, and it is made out of the wood that we had left over from the deck build. And I didn't have any plans for it, but I know that Anna White has plans. What I did was I went and I purchased my cushions, and then I measured how like the width of the seat based on the cushions, and I measured the height of the back based on the pillows so that they would all fit. And then I just went on and I looked at some of the measurements on the furniture that's in some of the stores, because you can go and you can like select a furniture set that you like and see what the measurements are. Especially IKEA is really good for that. They have really good detailed measurements on their furniture if you want to build anything that they have. It's actually a lot easier. Sorry, I am going off topic, but let me tell you, it is a lot easier to build furniture yourself than it is to go and buy IKEA furniture and put that stuff together. I said it. Some of you may not agree, but I've built dressers, I've done closet organizers, I've built furniture, I've done beds, this patio set, and I've also have done like Billy bookcases and stuff, and I've put IKEA dressers together, and I would much prefer building my own dresser. However, with that being said, I don't have the time to do that anymore, so I often am buying furniture now and putting it together. But anyways, in this video, it's gonna be me cleaning off the deck and just a quick little tidy and something to hopefully relax you and for you to enjoy. I am going to hopefully be adding a little bit of a privacy fence on the tinier side of the deck there. I know you can't see, I'm pointing to it, but there's like another little small portion of the deck that we want to add like a privacy fence to and put some flowers on it and stuff. It will look really pretty. And I'm either going to build a sectional couch to go there. I'm just waiting for the cushions to come on clearance, and I can get that started. One of the things is I am not like super picky about like if it's on clearance and it's a really good sale, I'll buy it and make it work. I'm not going to be waiting, like I'm not going to not buy it because it's not the color that I want. I'm going to make it work, because even like these cushions came on sale and I don't love the color, but I made it work. And I feel like the green is pretty, like it's like a nice green and it's got gray, and they were comfortable and they were nice and bulky. So yeah, I'm so happy that you guys are here. I hope that you enjoy this video. It's gonna be a quick one, other than me babbling, and I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop babbling and get to the video. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video gave you some motivation to go and clean up one of your favorite spaces. I am right now obsessed with our deck and I love sitting out here. Enjoy your day, weekend, evening, whatever day it is for you. I hope it's a good one. Bye for now.